everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Spark Email versus Superhuman. So if you don't know what these two are, let's starting with Spark Email here. It is an email client developed by Riddle, designed for individuals and teams to manage email more efficiently. It features a smart inbox that prioritizes important messages, built-in collaboration tools like shared drafts and email delegation, and integrates with third-party apps like Trello, Asana, Dropbox. It is available on macOS, iOS, Windows, and Android. Now let's head on over to Superhuman here. So Superhuman is a premium email app focused on speed and productivity. It's built primarily for professionals who use Gmail or Outlook. Known for its minimalist interface, heavy reliance on keyboard shortcuts, and AI-powered features like email triage, undo send, and follow-up reminders, it offers a frictionless and fast email experience, but at a premium price point. Now let's head on over to their pros and cons, starting with Spark Email here. So the pros of Spark Email is that it is great for teams with shared inboxes and comments, smart inbox and email prioritization, cheaper or has a free basic version, and cross-platform with iOS, Android, and macOS and Windows. Now the cons of Spark Email is that it is slower than Superhuman, and the interface can feel cluttered, and advanced features are locked behind a paywall. Now let's head on over to Superhuman here. And the pros of Superhuman is that it is extremely fast and responsive. It has a sleek and minimal UI, powerful keyboard shortcuts, and AI features like autocomplete and summarization. Now the cons of Superhuman is that it is expensive, $30 per month, and only supports Gmail and Outlook, and there is no collaboration tools. And so you should choose Spark if you want collaboration features, team tools, and a more affordable option, and choose Superhuman if you're a solo user who values speed, clean design, and powerful features, and you're willing to pay a premium for it. So that is it. That is the difference between Spark Mail and Superhuman. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.